Feel like you like money, you think you're good, but you're good for me. I can hold and change, don't change, come on, nothing on my side. What does it feel like? What does it feel like? The main thing, what's it giving a chance?